Hello, dear friends and lovers of freedom. Good evening, good morning, and good night, depending on your time zone. Yes, I have been vindicated. I, Biafra mindset, I have been vindicated. What happened? I told the zoo government, I told the handlers of the zoo that they are very, very lucky. The zoo and her handlers are very lucky that they have the person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. They are very lucky. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I know him very well. He's very humble, very human. He hates to see blood. He hates to see blood. He cannot shed blood. He cannot. He cannot. I can bet anything. He can't. He's very humble. A lover of humanity. The zoo is very lucky that they have such a man as the leader of IPOB. If not, if another person is in that position, if you give that position to another person, the zoo is gone. Do you know that IPOB is the largest mass freedom fighting movement in the face of the planet Earth? Their members are in millions. They are in their millions and millions all over the world. You see what is happening? Every part of the planet Earth, there is IPOB family agitating, protesting. Why I'm making this video is because of what has been happening since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in Kenya and brought to the zoo. You can see what DOS is doing. Do you believe that they can do such, carry out such instructions and give such order, and the whole Biafran obey it? This simply means that if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is out of the way, God forbid, the Biafran struggle will be deadlier. This is the truth. And I've heard Mazi Nnamdi Kanu saying it, that if he's alive, if he's dead, wherever he may be, that Biafra must come. In fact, in one of his lectures, he told the people that if he died, Biafra will come faster. Just look at what DOS is marching out. The sit at home currently going on in Biafra land is unheard of. Anywhere in the history of mankind, such has never happened. What great people. What a great people. I doff my heart for Chike Doziem and his people. You people are doing a wonderful work. I just listened to the brokers that the Fulani cow has been banned in Biafra land. Kudos. Kudos. And this will give work. It creates job opportunities for thousands of our youths in Biafra land. I know, and I saw a field. I saw it when I was a kid. There is a field now. Fulani have taken over. But with this burden of Fulani cows in Biafra land, people will rise up. And people will be employed, carefully employed in different ways. Agricultural products will continue to boom in Biafra land. I hail you, Chike Doziem. God bless you, Muchineke. This is what we are expecting. Empower our people. Yes. Yes. I'm fully in support. And I want to say a very big sorry to our elder, our father, our brother, our son, a legend of Hollywood, who was brutalized by the military. Talking of a comic guy, what is that his name? Luckily, he has been released. Chiwatalago. Take it. These are the sacrifices we pay for our freedom. So if it happened to you, a popular figure like you, just imagine what is happening to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, continuing in what I was saying, I want to say a very big thank you to the leadership of DOS, the men in DOS, the women in DOS. Ndị a bụ ndị azụrụ azụ, ndị ṅụrụ ara mmiri ara nefa ọfụma. When you see people, don't overlook them. Imagine if these guys, you allow them to do whatever they want to do. As well as Pastor Nandika will now say, okay, Simon Neighbor, join the US, carry out instructions. So we collapse. Honestly, so we collapse. I heard how the so-called political leaders in it, Biafra land, Jeff Omaya, and so we are castigating each other. The governor of Anambra was insinuating that is co-governors of the Southeast were the one causing insecurity in Anambra State. I believe we're talking about Dave Omaya and those are them. These are the two APC governors of the Southeast. And maybe the governor of Anambra State, was pointing at these two figures because they want to give Anambra State to APC. Maybe this may be the cause of insecurity in Biafra land. Maybe. And I heard Dave Umai saying that when people go to Abuja to get something and if they did not get it, they will come back and join Biafra. He was just pointing at Farambaka. That's all. Because the news broke out that Farambaka went for contract and fell, but the truth was that Farambaka never requested for any contract. There is no other person that will tell me another thing that we believe. Dave Umaya was referring to Farambaka when he made that comment to Channel Television. And some people, when they go to Abuja to collect something, when they are denied, they come back and join Biafra. No other person was referring to Farambaka, and that is a big shame on his part. What can they do to stop Biafra? The hand of God is in it. There's nothing people can do. You can make noise, cause havoc, kill people, but a day of reckoning is coming. Judgment day. We all face judgment day, judgment of God. So all these governors in the Southeast, you can conspire and kill innocent youth. Give them a name. Give a dog a bad name and hang it. It doesn't end there. There is another life after this one. So whatever you do, you will get your reward. For the Biafrans, I'm so happy with this burden of cow made in Biafra land. It will give the youth a lot of